Alright, this is the truth. No one likes you if you're not going to follow me back. If you want to find out who is not following you out of the people you are following, then this video is for you. One thing you should never do is use these apps. These are very sketchy apps that are not safe and it can get your Instagram hacked. Obviously, you can see I have downloaded a couple. Don't do it, okay? Just don't do it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find out who does not follow you back in a very safe and a easy way. The first thing is to go ahead to your phone on your Instagram. On the top right, you're going to press options and you're going to search for download your information. Yes. Once you click on that, you're going to go over here and you're going to have to click on the download or transfer information, and you're going to click some of the information because you only need the followers and following. So you're going to scroll a little bit down and here we have it, and you're going to click next and you're going to click download to device. Let it be on HTML and let it be on medium quality, and yeah, make sure you change the data range to all time. Alright, make sure this is very important. And now you're going to click on create files, and once you place the request, you are going to get an email saying that thank you for requesting a copy of your information. Now you're going to get a second email in probably 5 to 10 minutes, actually less than that. I got it in just a couple minutes, saying the information files you requested are now available to download. Now once you receive this mail, you can go onto your Instagram and directly download the file, or you can also go ahead and click right over here. That'll take you directly to the page. As you can see, you will come to a page something like this, and you can just go ahead and click download and enter your password. Once you hit your password, a file is going to be downloaded. Now in that folder, you will see a file called starthere.html. You just have to open it. It'll open in Google Chrome or Safari if you're in Mac. And there we have the list of followers and the list of following. Now, how do you get the people that don't follow you back? List compare. And you're going to get a bunch of sites that is going to compare two lists. So you can just click on any site you want. Let's just go ahead and click the first one. This one over here. Simply, you just have to compare the two lists and we're going to find who is not following back. So we're going to go hit on followers, and you're going to see all my followers right over here. And I just have to start selecting from here, and then I can click on Control Shift down, and yeah, it'll take me to the end of the list. As you can see, it just got me to the end of the list. So I've selected everything. I can just click on copy and go to this list. So this one is followers, so I'm going to keep followers in list A. There you go. I've pasted all my followers over here, and I'm going to go back and select the following just like that. Let's do this, and bam, copy that and paste it right this side. Now all I'm going to do is just click on compare lists. Now it's going to give you a bunch of results, which is going to be A only, A and B only. Now before you do anything to the lists, click on sort on everything and only focus on B only. So this is the only people that you're following that does not follow back. So you're gonna have a few dates. Once you sort it, you can just go ahead and clear the dates alone in the middle, and yeah, there we go. There we have it. So you can just erase this, and you can go ahead and copy this list. So there you go. That is exactly how you find out the people who don't follow you back.